Hello guys, my birth month, my day. Always continue what you have to do, especially when it's good and right. Do not ever listen to the voice of people that are trying to discourage you. You are persistence, full of dreams. I know that you are going to be successful someday. I know that you are tired, but I just want to congratulate you for reaching this far. This is not the end of your story. Keep it up, so high. Thank you to all who greetings my natal day. Thank you very much. Sa lahat na sumusuporta sa aking, maraming salamat. Heavenly Father, on my birthday, I thank you from the bottom of my heart, full of gratitude for another year of life. My team and my friends, relatives, thank you to all of you, to those who greetings on my birthday. Thank you very much. Sa post, messenger and video call. Enjoy lang po sa panunood ng aking mga video. Minsan nagsasawa na. Thank you sa lahat na hindi rin nagsasawa sa panunood ng aking video. Thanks for watching guys.